Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video of my linuxcnc powered mill making some soft jaws. So these are just, there's the other stack, so I'm making 6 of them at a time, so 3 sets. Yeah, so anyway, face both ends to length and whack a hole uncountable on the top. And then in here is my little fusion program to make them. So this is just saved on the computer, and inside my controller too I've got this saved now, so I should be able to just push play whenever I want to do it. Here's the mill. I need to make a proper work stop, but that's set up for now. There's the piece of aluminium. Okay, I actually need to change the order of operations of this thing. Actually, I'll do it now. I'll just pause this. Okay, I just reposted the code to drill my holes first, so I only have two tool changes, not 3. So yeah, I'll run this part. So it should call up a tool change which says insert tool 9. Click to continue when ready. Have to pause it again. Okay, here's just some snippets of the code. Just pop in 2 holes in there first. I really need to set up a GoPro for this because I'm sick of holding the camera. Cool. Put the next tool in, so I'll pause again. Okay, I'm now doing 8,000 RPM and gonna run this. So facing, doing a roughing cut, and then doing a 0.2 little finisher cut. Then kind of just blowing a hole in there, hopefully without snapping the end mill. And voila! And then there's our part.